Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. In today's lecture video, I'm going to talk to you about partnerships and how partnerships can enable you as an Iraqi Dinar holder to increase your wealth, build your wealth, lower your taxes, and without having to endure all of the risk. Are you ready? Let's get started. A partnership is an IRS business structure, which includes two or more persons who go into business together. A partnership must file an annual information return to report the partnership's income, deductions, gains, or losses from its operation. But, and this what makes the partnership so different, a partnership does not pay tax. Instead, it passes through into its profits or losses to its partners. And each partner includes the tax information on their tax return. It doesn't matter what type of partnership you form. You will share in the profits and or the losses, and you will also benefit from the lower taxes.